Jimmy, dime time. Let's go!
Hi friend, it's me, Jimmy Dime. Welcome back to the Adventure Room. And today is extra special. You know why? Because it's Halloween. Do you know what Halloween is? Then you know how much fun it is. You get to carve pumpkins, dress up and be whatever you want to be, and even get some treats. And did you know that on record, one of the biggest pumpkins ever recorded was 2,600 pounds? That's huge! So I thought, why don't we bring Halloween to the Adventure Room? But there's so much to do. We have to get started because we're going to have fun like this. Okay, now that we know what we're gonna do, let's go! To start our Halloween party here in the Adventure Room, let's make some spiders. Then we can hang them all around. This is what you'll need. Pipe cleaners for the legs. We have some styrofoam balls that are black. That's gonna be the body of the spider. And we have some eyes, all different sizes and colors. We'll need some glue and some scissors. And if you need some help with an adult with scissors, that's okay to ask. Okay, first, we're gonna put some eyes on the spiders. So we'll take this and we'll put a little bit of glue on the eyes. One right there, and another eye. Perfect, 2 eyes for the spider. And now, the spider needs some legs. So, we'll take our pipe cleaners and cut them in half to give the spider the legs. Okay, spider, I'll give you the leg right there, and we'll just bend it like this so it can stand. And one on the other side. Like that. Look, it's got its first set of legs. But we're gonna need some more. 2 more sets. In the side, and then we'll bend it like this, and one on the other side. Look, it looks just like a spider. And now, the last pair of legs. Let's do this color, pink. Cut it in half, and the same thing. Put one right over there. And on the other side. Look, it's a spider, and it can stand just like that. It's perfect for Halloween. So now we have to make 4 more. Let's go. Look, our spiders. It's looking like Halloween already. Perfect. Okay, are you ready? Let's continue the party. Now, what next do we need for a Halloween party? That's right, a pumpkin. So, with a little bit of magic. Perfect. Wow. That's a beautiful pumpkin. Okay, let's start carving it. And you'll need help from an adult. Some of the tools are sharp. I'll start. We'll make a big cut all along the top of the pumpkin on an angle. Just about there. Perfect. Okay, now that we have the top cut out, we're gonna take the top off. Look at that. It's full of all the pumpkin seeds. Can you see it? Look, it almost looks like spider webs for the spiders we made. But we have to get all the inside of the pumpkin out. So with this handy pumpkin scoop, look, it has a pumpkin face on it. We're gonna take all the pumpkin seeds out. And this is the fun part. Get right in there. Look at that. We'll put it right over there. There's lots more. You could even bake the pumpkin seeds if you wanted and eat them. Okay. Gotta get all the seeds out. It can be a little messy, but that's what makes it fun. Make it nice on the inside so we can put a face on it. Okay, we'll take the rest out. We got most of it out. It looks so good. So, you know what we have to do now? That's right, we have to put on a face. Now, we have to draw a face. We'll do an eye, and another eye, and a nose, and a smile. And some teeth. Perfect. Now, I have to cut it out, but I'm not gonna show you the face till the very end. Are you ready? Here we go. There's one eye. And remember, you'll need an adult to help you with this. And the second eye. Perfect. Now, the nose. So, the pumpkin can smell. Can't wait to show you. So we have our two eyes and we have our nose. Now, the smile. That's the top of the mouth. Now, we have to do the bottom. Just about done. Okay. Take out the mouth. It looks so good. A nice smile. Okay, get some of this off right here. Are you ready? Make it look all good for you. Wow, this pumpkin is perfect. And of course, put its hat back on. Which way? That, right there. Wow, it looks so good. Are you ready? Okay, I want to show you Mr. Pumpkin to all my friends. Look at it! It's perfect! It's such a good pumpkin, and it's smiling because Halloween is so much fun. But the best thing about the pumpkin is after you've cleaned it and carved it is to see it in the dark. So, with a little bit of magic, wow, look at that. It glows. It's perfect. Hi, pumpkin. Look how good it looks. Okay, now that we have our spiders and our beautiful pumpkin, we have to decorate the adventure room. Let's turn the lights back on. Perfect. Let's clean this up and decorate the room. Now it's time to decorate. But I feel like I'm missing something. Perfect. Bad ears. Now let's decorate. We'll put some spider webs all over. This is gonna be such a fun Halloween party! How does that look? It looks amazing! But I think we need some treats, right? Perfect! Look, all kinds of treats. Chocolates, candies, jelly beans, and look, some glow sticks so everyone can see me. Hey, that makes me think we need to make this place a little more Halloween. So, with a little bit of magic, perfect! Look, it looks just like Halloween! This is perfect! It's the perfect Halloween party! So, should we dance? You can dance with me! Let's party! Thank you so much for helping me. We made spiders like that one and that one. We carved a pumpkin and decorated the adventure room to have our very own Halloween party. Thank you so much for helping me. We'll see you soon. And remember, you can do it. Bye!
Jimmy, dime time. Next show!